In an era defined by economic uncertainty, the decision to buy a home is filled with complexities. Interest rates ebb and flow, influenced by global trends, domestic policies, and unforeseen circumstances, making the decision to buy now or wait a significant one. Hey there, I'm Matt Sloan, and I'm a realtor here in the Greater Toronto area. And if I could ask a huge favor, if you could hit that subscribe button, it would mean a lot, as I'm really trying to grow my new YouTube channel. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Now, I'm going to try to unpack the layers of the decision of buying a home now versus waiting, providing you with a roadmap through the current interest rate environment, financial implications of buying versus waiting, and the broader economic factors at play. Interest rates are pivotal in deciding the right time to buy a home, as they directly affect the monthly mortgage payments and overall affordability of the home. Current forecasts suggest varied expectations for interest rates by the end of 2024. These projections average to a policy rate of about 4.25%, which would likely turn out to be 3 rate drops by the end of the year. But it's essential to remember that these figures are just projections. Interest rates can be influenced by many factors, including inflation rates, changes in economic policy, and global economic crisis, which can all lead to fluctuations that are difficult to predict accurately. Considering the financial implications of buying now versus waiting is important. Let's explore a hypothetical scenario. Purchasing $1 million home, for example. I know, this may seem ridiculous that this is the price we are using as an example, but that is somehow getting to be entry level for a freehold here in the Greater Toronto area. So if you were to buy that home today with an interest rate of approximately 5.25% versus waiting till the end of 2024 where rates might drop to an average of 4.5%, you would see a significant difference in a monthly payment. Specifically, this could mean a monthly saving of around $350, significantly affecting your overall loan and affordability and budgeting. The benefit of waiting could also extend beyond just savings. With lower monthly payments, your purchasing power could increase, allowing you to afford a more expensive home for the same monthly cost. This scenario shows the potential financial benefits of lower interest rates, but must be balanced against the unpredictability of rate changes as well as potential home price increases. Waiting for a drop in interest rates can also be a gamble. Rates are influenced by a wide range of unpredictable factors, and while they might go down, they could also rise, which I know is unlikely, but we're going to go over all scenarios here. If interest rates rise instead of fall, waiting to buy could end up costing more than buying now. We are also starting to see prices rise here in the GTA, already for some price points, home types, and areas that are currently very low in inventory. Real estate markets can be dynamic, with prices historically increasing over time. So waiting for the lower interest rates could mean facing higher property prices in the future, potentially negating any savings from the lower interest rates. Additionally, housing markets in many areas are competitive with demand often outweighing the supply, which could further complicate your ability to purchase an ideal property at a later date. This is also very important to keep in mind or keep an eye on if you do not have the 20% down payment. This will keep your purchasing power under $1 million, and the options in certain markets in the GTA will begin to diminish. The primary advantage of buying a home now is certainty. By securing a mortgage now, you lock in your monthly payments, facilitating a financial plan. This stability can be great for budgeting and long-term planning, particularly in a volatile economic climate. Buying now also means you start building home equity sooner, which can be financially advantageous as property values tend to increase over time. Furthermore, current homeownership allows you to enjoy the emotional and practical benefits of owning your home, such as personalizing your living space and enjoying the security of a permanent residence. And while all that is great and beneficial, It truly depends on your situation and if you have to sell a property, what property type you are looking for, and what area you are trying to purchase in. Knowing the supply and inventory in those areas specifically is crucial to help with timing and understanding how competitive the market will be. The decision to buy a home is not solely financial. Emotional and lifestyle factors play significant roles. Your current life situation, whether you need more space for a growing family, or relocating for a job, or looking for stability, might require buying a home sooner rather than later. When it comes to making that next purchase, this is what it really comes down to. Are you ready? Is now the right time to make that lifestyle change? Home buyers do not typically decide to buy a home because of financial reasons. And 9 out of 10 times when I'm working with a client to purchase their first or their next home, it's because of a lifestyle change or a factor that is driving that decision. So, understanding what is at the front of the reason for making a move is crucial, and realizing if now is the right time or not for you. After knowing if now is the right time or not in regards to your lifestyle considerations, it is very important to then assess your financial health before making a home purchase. This includes having a sufficient emergency fund, ensuring a stable income, and maintaining a good credit score. These factors will affect not only your mortgage terms, but also your ability to maintain home ownership comfortably. While it's tempting to time the market to get the best financial deal, personal timing, as mentioned, is just as important. If your circumstances, such as a growing family or a new job, demand a new home, it might be more practical to buy now, regardless of the current interest rates, or trying to time exactly when they will drop, as well as before prices increase further. Choosing whether to buy now or wait is a decision that requires a balance of market knowledge, personal circumstances, and financial readiness. So, in conclusion, here are the steps to help navigate the decision. 1. Stay informed. Keep updated on your interest rate forecasts and real estate trends. 2. Assess your financial health. Review your financial situation in depth. 3. Consult the experts. Engage with your financial advisors, mortgage brokers, and real estate agents. 4. Consider your personal circumstances. Reflect on your family needs, career stability, and personal preferences. And last but not least, number 5, understanding that the real estate market is a long-term play, and if you hold on long enough, you will likely find yourself in a positive position either way. So thanks for tuning in to the this YouTube video, and if you find this informative, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Greater Toronto real estate info. See you in the next one.